Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aida Nur Aisyah from Group 2, Section 15. So today I would like to present about engineering economy, about our project. So thanks to our lecturer, Dr. Muhammad Yusni bin Hashim. So for introduction, about engineering economy. Engineering economy is the combination between the engineering course and economical knowledge. So the importance of the engineering economy is to help a company or engineer to choose the best design and to give a recommendation to improve the design and to produce goods with low cost but high quality. So next is our objective in this project is to find any business idea and then to provide a detailed startup business plan as a guide for company business, and then to gain knowledge about the cost fundamental, and the last one is to improve knowledge about the engineering economy subject. So this is the logo of our company, which is EcoMaster, and then I am the chairman of the EcoMaster, and I will introduce my group member or our company members. And then this is our CEO, Muhammad Hazwan bin Hairi, and then she is our financial manager, which Sharifah Fitri Shafia binti Said Lokman, and last one is our engineer manager, Encik Mio Syahmi bin Zahid. And then the mission of our company is to be the #1 producer of the light bulb in Malaysia, and also to produce light bulb with high quality but affordable so everyone can buy. And then our vision is to be a giant company within 3 to 5 years from now. And then this is our Gantt chart. Okay. And our business plan is first to decide business idea, which we want to sell the light bulb, and then we do survey machine for produce light bulb, and then by making comparison and by calculating the annual worth AW, so we can find the best machine and then select the best machine, and then we will select the location, and then we will register our company, and then we apply loan to support our machine, to buy our machine, and then we calculate all the cost, which is total cost, variable cost, fixed cost, and all costs to find the cost per unit, so we can know our modal. And then the last one is we run the business.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sharifah Fitri Shafia binti Said Lokman. I will present about our business idea. As we have been discussed among the members of company, we choose the light bulb as our product. Light bulb is known as electrical lamp because it can be turned on if there has electricity that connected to it. It has an ability to consume electricity for itself and use for illumination purpose. On the other hand, it involves in energy change, which is from electrical energy to light energy. According to law of conservation of energy, energy cannot be destroyed, but it can change from one form to another form. Thus, this law is applied in a light bulb mechanism. For additional knowledge, light bulb is invented by Thomas Edison around 1879, and it's still used by people nowadays. Therefore, therefore we trust that our product still can survive in market for many years coming. Furthermore, people need light to brighten the dark place, especially in night due to human vision become limited during night. So how does the light bulb work? When the electricity is being supplied to the terminal of the light bulb, the electron is flowed to heat up the thin filament inside the bulb. The electron continues to bang against the filament and it hits the filament until it reaches a certain point, and finally it will glow. This process happens in less than a second. So there are several main components of light bulb. Firstly, inside the bulb there have inert gas or vacuum, and it has metal filament wire, glass support, glass bulb, and base or cap. So for the metal filament wire, the material is tungsten. For the glass bulb, the material is glass, and for the base, the material is steatite. For the manufacturing process of the light bulb, we have 4 stages. First stage, we produce the part metal filament wire. Firstly, the process is manufactured through a process known as drawing, which tungsten is mixed with a binder material and put through a die, a shaped orifice, into a fine wire. Next, the wire is wound around a metal bar called a mandrel in order to mold it into its proper curved shape. Then it will go through annealing. For the second stage, we produce the part glass bulb. So the process firstly, glass bulbs or casings are produced using a ribbon machine. Heating a furnace, a continuous ribbon of glass moves along a conveyor belt. Next, precisely aligned air nozzles blow the glass through holes in the conveyor belt into molds, creating the casing. After the casing process, the product will be cooked and the ribbon machine will cut off. Next, the inside of the bulb is coated with silica to remove the glare caused by a glowing, uncovered filament. The third stage is we produce the base. The base of the bulb is also constructed using molds. It is made with indentation in the shape of a screw so that it can easily fit into the socket of a light fixture. So the last stage is the assembly of all the parts. Filament, base, and bulb, they are fitted together by machines. First, the filament is mounted to the stem assembly with its end clamped to the two lead-in wires. Next, the air inside the bulb is evacuated, and the casing is filled with an argon and nitrogen mixture. Finally, the base and the bulb are sealed. The base slides onto the end of the glass bulb such that no other material is needed. So our SWOT analysis for the strength, it is a basic. Our product is a basic need that many people use it in their home, office, school, and other places that need light. And our product is also an affordable product for all people. The weakness of our product is easily to broke because the bulb is fragile. That can lead to loss. Next, our opportunities are we have large area of marketing because this product is easy to sell everywhere. So we have many places to open branches, so we can get many profit. It can be sold in various medium. Also, it can be sold in various medium, which is online, in social media, or offline, such as poster, advertisement, and advertisement board. And the traits is we have a lot of competitors. So our big competitors are the companies that produce the same product as us. We are competing in a aspect of marketing area, selling price, best materials of product, and target customers. So we have to continuously make sure that our company is up to date in every aspect. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good afternoon to Dr. Yusni. I'm your Shahmi bin Zahid from Section 15 Group 3. Will present about our project for our group project. So the things that I will present is this some of the things that I will explain. The machine analysis, type of machine, comparison, machine selection, select location, registration, and apply load. So for machine analysis, this is the production line of our product, which is the bulb. All the material like bulb component is seated in the machine, which means the machine is a multiple function. So the black one is the production line and produce light bulb. So we have three type of machine here. For machine is an A19 bulb making machine, GD001. Machine B is LED incandescent bulb fully automatic assembly line, HC10. And machine C, sorry, typo, LED incandescent light assembly line from brand Washing. So after all the details below, I will conclude in one table. So for the machine A, you can look here, the consumption is 4.5. For machine B 1.2, machine C 5.5. So here I want to highlight about the annual operation and annual maintenance, which will affect the calculation after this. For the machine A is about 2000 something, and for the for the next slide is the machine selection. Here the formula or the question on how to calculate the AW. So the formula is negative ownership cost, A over P 10%, and N, minus operation cost, minus maintenance cost, minus service value, A over F 10%, and N. So for the machine A, the annual cost is I said before 24,116. So just put it in the formula and we got negative 73,876.97 cents. So for the machine B and machine C, just put it in the formula and calculate it. For the machine B, the AW is negative 4,780 cents. For machine B, negative 35,176.17 cents. So we can conclude that the lowest cost we selected is machine C because the AW is the lowest. So for the location, we have decided to operate in this place, which is in Subang, because the price for the rent is 3,500. So for the loan, we have a loan in the bank slum personal financing package for the interest is 4.99%, which means 5% per year. So we made the calculation. The total apply loan we apply 200,000 ringgit. So after putting the formula, so we have balance 200,000. 200,000 we used it for buy the machine. Okay, sorry for renovation 163 for 160. So the rest we use to pay the other costs. So
Assalamualaikum to Dr. Muhammad Yusni bin Hashim. So my name is Muhammad Hazwan bin Hairi. I am from section 15, group 3. Today I would like to present about engineering economy on total cost. Okay. This is the basic formula to get the total cost, which is fixed cost plus variable cost. So to get the total cost per unit, we need the value for total cost divided by total unit of light bulb produced. Okay. For fixed cost in our company, we have 3 fixed costs in our company. The first one is management and administrative expense, which is equal to 10,000. So machinery cost is equal to this value, and the second thing is the factory expense. So the factory expense is equal to 5,500 per month. The last fixed cost is utility bills. So the bills that we use for during peak hour is equal to 3,300 kilowatt hour per month. But during off-peak periods, we are estimating the electricity used by our factory was 1.5 kilowatts. So the total power consumption we get is 180 kilowatts per month. Okay. So this is the table that I used to get the amount of utility bills. So from the utility bills that I get before, I put it here, and the total is 3,776 ringgit. Okay. So the second thing is the variable cost. So the variable cost, number one is raw materials. So the raw material that I use to produce one bulb is only 10 ringgit 50 cents. The second thing about variable cost is direct labor. So the labor is paid RM 30 ringgit per hour per labor. Okay. So but in a day only one labor work. Since the job only to arrange the light bulb packaging, so we does not require many labor. Okay. So this is the table for total fixed cost. So the total fixed cost that I get is 21,150x, and the total variable cost we get is this value. Okay. So to calculate the total cost per unit of light bulb, so we need to know the fixed cost and plus variable cost. Okay. So we assume the fixed, we plus fixed cost plus variable cost, so we get this answer. Okay. To calculate the total cost per unit, we need the value for total cost divided by total unit of light bulb produced. So in a month, our machines produce 1,080,000 unit of bulb. So when the total cost divided with the total unit of light, so I get 10 ringgit and 53 cents, 10 ringgit and 53 cents per unit to produce only one bulb. So now we go to the selling price. So the quantity of light bulb that can be produced by machine C that we have selected is 1,080,000 per month. So the total revenue so equal to the total cost. So the selling price that we get is equal to 10 ringgit and 55 cents per unit. Okay, clear? So next we go to profit. So the profit for my company is equal to RM 441 ringgit and 97 cents per month. So therefore, if we selling the light bulb for 10 ringgit and 55 cents, we can gain profit about 441 ringgit points per month. Okay, so in order to gain more profit, we target to sell about RM50 ringgit of light bulb per unit. So when we sell about RM50 ringgit, the profit that we get is equal to this answer. So this is the break-even analysis. So therefore, our company only need to sell about 4,734 units over a month. So as we can see, this is the loss, and this is the profit, and this is the price that we want to sell our light bulb.
Okay, next we proceed about the market strategy. Then this is our target market. The target market for our product is basically person who sell the light bulb, usually the hardware or the owner of hardware store, and then the giant like Tesco. And then about the promotion, we do it online. We sell it at Lazada and distribute the flyers and brochure also. So as the conclusion, the objective that we mentioned at the earlier stage has been achieved. And then while doing this project, we face some problem, which is all of us are lack knowledge about the economical engineering, and then the machine that produce light bulb is limited, so that we cannot compare much for this task. So as a recommendation, we as a student have to do some research and do more reading to find more knowledge and information about the business we want to run, and then we have to improve our knowledge about the engineering economy so that we can run our business fluently. So that's all. Thank you.